Welcome back to VXN Cars, where we bring you the future of automotive luxury, power, and innovation. Today, get ready to witness something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2025 Toyota Century SUV. This isn't just another luxury vehicle. This is a complete reimagination of what elegance, comfort, and prestige should feel like for decades. Toyota's Century lineup has been Japan's symbol of ultimate sophistication, a car built for those who demand exclusivity and perfection. But now, Toyota has dared to evolve this legendary nameplate, transforming it from a traditional luxury sedan into a breathtaking ultra-premium SUV. And trust me, you have to see it to believe the craftsmanship and innovation Toyota has poured into this machine. Imagine all the refinement of a high-end limousine, but now in the bold, commanding presence of a full-size SUV, despite its massive footprint. The Century SUV is designed to seat just for passengers. Why? Because Toyota wanted every individual inside to experience unmatched space, comfort, and privacy. The rear seats are the true highlight, centrally placed, deeply cushioned, and able to recline in multiple relaxing positions. It's luxury designed to make every journey feel like a first-class experience. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The 2025 Century SUV comes equipped with a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid system, pairing a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine with an advanced all-wheel drive setup. While Toyota hasn't released official performance numbers yet, insiders suggest it may share engineering with the impressive Lexus TX 550, which produces around 465 horsepower. If that's true, expect the Century SUV to deliver smooth, confident acceleration, superb handling, and the kind of effortless performance you expect from a top-tier luxury vehicle. And of course, Toyota hasn't forgotten efficiency. The hybrid system is engineered to maximize fuel economy while offering seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power, giving you the perfect mix of power and responsibility. Transmission details remain under wraps. But considering Toyota's legendary reliability, we can expect nothing short of excellence. The 2025 Toyota Century SUV will make its global debut very soon. And although it will launch exclusively in Japan, the entire automotive world is watching closely. This SUV isn't just another model, it's a bold statement of luxury, innovation, and Toyota's vision for the future. A true masterpiece that blends heritage with next-generation engineering, redefining what a luxury SUV can be. Asterisk. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the all-new Toyota Century SUV, make sure to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to VXN Cars for more premium car reviews and future-ready automotive content. And don't forget, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.